In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com, a Salesforce platform that can significantly enhance your reporting efficiency. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide offers a step-by-step walkthrough to streamline your reporting process. We'll begin by accessing the Salesforce homepage. From your web browser, enter the URL that leads to the Salesforce homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all your Salesforce tools and reports. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the App Launcher located perhaps in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of Salesforce apps. Why is this important? Well, the App Launcher serves as your main navigation tool, similar to a menu in a restaurant, helping you access all the various applications you might need. Now, let's move forward in the process by locating the Reports section. This is where you can view all the existing reports that you've created over time. Navigate through the list and pick the report you wish to work with. For new users, don't worry if this seems a bit overwhelming at first. Familiarity will build as you use the platform more regularly. After selecting your desired report, it's time to click on More Actions and choose Edit. This step is pivotal because it allows you to make changes to an existing report, tailoring the data outputs to meet your specific needs. Once in the editing interface, you can adjust anything from data fields to filtering criteria. The next step involves subscribing to the report. Subscribing ensures that you receive regular updates according to your specified preferences. After clicking on Subscribe, you'll need to choose your frequency settings. Determine how often you would like to receive these updates, daily, weekly, or monthly. Additionally, you have the option to select specific days for receiving updates. This flexibility can be important if, for instance, certain reports are only pertinent to you at the start of each week or at month end. Moving on, when selecting the days, be sure to click on Tuesday if that fits your schedule. This can be adjusted according to how you manage your tasks. Following this, choose your preferred time for receiving updates. This ensures you receive the reports at a time that best suits your daily operations, avoiding a flood of information at inconvenient times. Afterward, you can decide who should run the report. Using this feature wisely helps in maintaining appropriate access and customization depending on your organizational hierarchy. Lastly, if additional parameters are needed, consider applying specific conditions to the report in question. Once all these choices are set to your liking, don't forget the final step: save your settings. Clicking Save enacts all the changes and confirms your subscription preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up a tailored reporting system within your Salesforce platform. Now you can sit back and reap the benefits of automated regular updates without lifting another finger.